Yeah, we fucking street, yeah. We motherfucking running around with that fucking street, yeah. Sweep that. We don't give a fuck about no teachers. We preachers. Motherfucker, what you thought it was, it ain't no free man. Yeah, all my niggas strapped. All my niggas black. What the fuck you thought it was? We ain't running around with that. And I'm talking about white and that white. We ain't selling. We selling fucking green. What the fuck you thought it was? If you telling, you telling. What the fuck you thought it was? Man, the spot, it was quiet. Until one nigga got there talking, motherfucker, then that heater sparking, then the nigga told on that fucking gun, motherfucker, assaulting. Cause I ain't touching. Just a bullet. What the fuck you thought it was when I pulled it? I don't fucking play around. It ain't no bullets. But I'ma let you know the fucking difference between a nigga that's soft and a nigga that's real. What the fuck you thought it was? I aim to kill. I aim to drill. I aim to steal. I don't give a fuck about no deal. I'm gon' get off a pill and that liquor and that motherfucking gas. I'm fucking around and smoke the mid blunt for that ass. Motherfucking stuff like 2.5 grams. What the fuck you thought it was?
Hell nah.
Let me put this shit out, man. Ain't no fucking doubt. We skipping all them drops, man.
They snapping. I
love it. What the fuck you sucking teeth for? What the fuck you acting like your bitch when she need more?
Acapella.
And I'm talking about that money when she need more. Yeah. She be like, damn bitch, what the fuck is sweet is? Yeah. What the fuck is sweet is? Suck him up. I be like, nah, man, that's my nephew's bro. You can't do that. That's the code, dog. We ain't creeps. We ain't running around like sheiks. We ain't running around like women. Getting fucking plenty, and I'm talking about that visual, and I'm talking about that visual. I'ma blow the
hey.
Backwood in my hand, about to blow the dro, and I know the snow. Look, I got so much white Eskimos like I know your code. Keep the burner on the hip like this a part of my clothes. Stay in the kitchen cooking, whipping back the hardest of hoes. You the heart of the streets, but I'm the heart of the stove. And my blow so good if I ain't got no more. Niggas crushing my rocks and put the shit at they nose. Call a nigga back like jerk, I swear to God that I'm froze. If I ain't the illest at this rap shit or this trap shit on my mama jig, I gotta be close. Look, and I can move the pack quick. It's like I got an orange vest on the block, directing the traffic. My overs is magic, make my wrist do a backflip. My game all mad while you scrimmaging in practice. You scrimmaging in practice. We on the fucking field, yeah, man. We active. We don't give a fuck about no tag. We ain't playing that. We straight hitting the fucking ground when you need that. We ain't hitting planes, nigga. Hitting fucking days, nigga. Stuff this fucking motherfucking and you already know.
It's right.
We had to stop moving down. Around with no dummies. If you fucking snitching, I'm fucking catching you. We don't play around.